Fundsupermart.com.
Since the Eastspring Investments Asian High Yield Bond Fund was only launched in March of this year, can you tell us more about its investment philosophy and strategy?
Okay, we at Eastspring Fixed Income, we actually use a multifactorial model to assess valuations from the perspective of fundamentals, technicals, and valuations. We take a bottom-up as well as a top-down approach. And from the top-down approach, we actually look at macroeconomic factors, credit trends, as well as demand and supply, and as well as risk appetite in general. From the bottom-up perspective, we actually have analysts that look specifically at credits in a more detailed manner and basically analyze the risk of each company. So in combination, we actually decide on which bonds to buy from this perspective. Obviously, from the high yield bond perspective, we need to do a little bit more bottom-up selection and a little bit more analysis on the company level.
How many holdings does the fund have and how many issuers does it have exposure to?
Okay, we currently, as of end of June, we actually have 119 issues. And of that 119, I believe we hold about 93 companies, and it consists of companies and sovereigns as well as quasi-sovereign.
Is there a maximum exposure the fund can have to a single issuer?
No more than 10% is what we can hold for a single non-government issue, but typically we'll never hold more than 5%.
Are there any particular countries or sectors within the Asian high yield space which the fund is particularly positive on?
We actually like Indonesian coal very much at the moment, even though despite current headwinds in the market about the thermal coal prices coming down, we believe that Indonesian coal producers are actually the lowest cost producers in the world. And for example, the US miners actually have a cash cost of about $70 to $75 per ton, while the Indonesian producers are actually at $40 to $45 per ton. So we believe that they are still positioned well in terms of their credit matrix, and they will actually survive this downturn.
On the other hand, are there any investment ideas the fund is not so keen to pursue?
We're a little bit more cautious about Chinese industrials because of the short track record, as well as a little bit of corporate governance concerns from some of the companies.